I felt so miserable for so long prior to coming in here that there wasn't a thing that was going to stop me from going ahead with this. And if there was any stumbling block, it would have been the expense. But I was in such a bad place
Yeah.
that I was willing to do it all. I just could not handle my life the way it was.
So,
I think for the first few weeks, it was more of a holding pattern. I mean, and you were educating me about different aspects of what was going to happen. Going gluten-free, because I hadn't gone gluten-free, I don't think, until, what, 6 weeks?
Yeah.
3 or 6 weeks after I started. But I was just, whatever you told me, I did it to the letter because I had nothing to lose.